there, and welcome back to Microsoft Word, Advanced Tips and Tricks. My name is Shanna Lynn, and today's lesson focuses on how to identify formatting issues using the Show Hide button. Has anyone ever sent you a document, but when you start to edit it, the formatting just seems off? Maybe there are several empty lines, or when you try to click somewhere in the document, it won't let you? Does a table look misaligned, but you can't figure out why? If you've ever run into any of these issues, the Show Hide button is going to be your new friend. To activate it, simply go to the Home tab and click on the backwards P in the paragraph section. Immediately, your document will look different. It is now full of what are referred to as non-printing marks. These symbols may initially be a little disorienting, but they can ultimately help you determine what's causing the formatting issue and even make your future projects better. We won't be covering every possible non-printing mark in today's lesson, but here are a few highlights. Spaced characters. In most fonts, a small dot represents an ordinary space. Check your document for any extra space characters where they aren't needed. If you see here, there are several extra spaces that just aren't necessary. Extra space characters may also be at the end of a paragraph where they aren't currently causing any issues, but removing them may prevent some unnecessary confusion in the future. Paragraph marks. The paragraph mark represents a paragraph break. You should see one at the end of each paragraph. A paragraph mark can also help show misalignment in a table. When viewing this table, there are a few reasons that it could be misaligned, such as an issue with line spacing. However, by simply hitting the Show Hide button, you can see that there is an extra paragraph break where one is not needed or wanted. Pagination breaks. Pagination breaks include things like column breaks, page breaks, and section breaks. To delete these, you can simply select them and press either the Delete key or backspace. At times, if you look at a page without Show Hide on, you may not be able to tell if there is a single page break or multiple paragraph breaks from pressing Enter to just try to get to the next page. These two pages look identical until you turn on the Show Hide key. If you're working with a document and you encounter multiple paragraph breaks used like this, I recommend you replace them with a true page break. To do so, just select the paragraph breaks, go to the Insert tab, and click on Page Break in the Pages section. This isn't 100% necessary, but using a page break can help simplify further editing along the way. Tabs. Another non-printing mark is used for the Tab key. It is displayed as an arrow pointing to the right. It is important to realize that if the tab is at the very beginning of the paragraph, the non-printing mark won't display. If there is an unexpected tab at the beginning of the paragraph, you can tell by looking at the ruler at the top of the document. To wrap up, we didn't cover every symbol you may encounter, but this should help get you started with using the Show Hide button. As you start to use this function, consider how it can help you to proofread and to locate any potential formatting issues. Your own document creation can be improved, and it definitely makes working with documents created by others so much easier because it allows you to easily see exactly what formatting choices they made. For more information, stay tuned for the next lesson in the Microsoft Word Advanced Tips and Tricks series. Thank you.